friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of a very nice dish. Its name is Unniyappam or Kuriyappam. Now it's a very tasty dish and you can prepare this for Diwali to distribute it to your friends and relatives. Now Diwali is approaching. I hope you all have started making the sweets. I have uploaded chakli, neyyappam, achappam. So I hope you all have tried it. Now the difference between neyyappam and unniyappam is that we add bananas into unniyappam, but we don't add bananas in neyyappam. And I am not adding any baking soda. So we have to keep it for fermenting for at least 8-9 hours. Now I will tell you all about the ingredients I have used. Now I have taken half kg of rice and I have taken 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Now I have cut the coconut, a small piece, 2 spoons of cut coconut which is fried in pure ghee. Salt, a pinch of salt, and I have taken 8 cardamom along with sugar which has to be ground in the mixie. I have taken 3 bananas and now I have heated the jaggery in 1 cup of water and I have strained it. I'll be using this for making unniyappam. Now I will show you all how to make. First I will take the jar and I will add rice into it. I will add 1 spoon of wheat flour and I will be grinding. I will be putting jaggery water and I will put 1 banana. Now this I will be grinding in 3 parts. Each part when I grind I will be using 1 banana. Now I will grind this. Now I have finished grinding all the rice. Now the batter should not be ground into very fine paste. Little coarse grounding also will do. Now I forgot to mention that I have used 200 grams of jaggery. I have used 200 and even I'll be using quarter of spoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds, the sugar and the cardamom I will be grinding together in the small jar and adding it to the batter. Now I will add the powder of cardamom, cumin seeds and sugar into the batter. And I will be adding even the coconut which I have cut into small pieces and I have fried in pure ghee. That also I will be adding to the batter. And I'll be adding a pinch of salt. See, this much salt I'll be adding and I will stir it nicely and keep it for fermenting for 8 to 9 hours. Now the batter is fermented. See, I have kept for 9 hours. I have kept the chatty for making unniyappam on the gas and I will on the gas. Now I will add coconut oil in the holes I'll not fill the holes. I'll only fill half. There are 7 holes. I have put the batter into all the holes. Now, when one side becomes cooked, I will turn it. See. Now I'll keep it in less flame because it should not get burnt. I have reduced the flame because it was too hot. Now it has to get cooked. Now one side is cooked, I will turn to the other side. So we have got Now you all saw how we made unniyappam. It was so easy. See, they look so yummy. Now definitely you all try it at home and make the unniyappam for Diwali and distribute it to your friends and relatives. They will also enjoy the taste of unniyappam. Now, if you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and don't forget to press the bell button. Now, I'll come with some more exciting recipes. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.